Hello, I'm Nate. Next to me, this vending machine we are about to export to Europe, and you can see it's matte black in color. And for payment system, we have installed the bill validator, card reader, and coin mesh. And there is a 5-inch color display. We can upload advertisement on it, and this is a metal keyboard. It's a full glass door. Anti-thief design. Let me show you the buying process. Insert slot number from the keyboard. Confirm. Select pay by card. Confirm. Swipe the card. Payment processing. This is also one of the very popular model, and it's with smart system also. It can connect it to the internet, so you can get all the information and remote control to this vending machine. If you are interested in it, please contact us for more information.